So it's day 2 now, and we are doing some removal of parts for my truck. It's just a bunch of things I don't need. I'm trying to cut as much weight as I can. That's why I'm switching to an aluminum bumper instead of the ARB. That's why I'm taking off the Prinsu rack right now. My girlfriend's actually working on it, which is kind of nice. And we're getting a new hood today, so I'm going to be recording all of that. So this is actually the stock hood. It's for a 2005 to 2011 Tacoma. This was all wrapped, and I actually just recently ripped the wrap off. So that's going to be going to someone today. And then, as I said, the Prinsu is also going to someone. The grill already, well, that's a long story with the grill, but no hood anymore. The headlights are going to go, and the Prinsu rack's going to go. So we're just trying to get ready for the swap. One thing off. Whoa, that looks weird. So I've had multiple roof racks, so these holes for the roof racks that are already come on the Toyotas, they have been used and abused. So instead of leaving a bolt in there, I just silicone inside of it. So if I do get another roof rack, I can literally go in with tweezers and pull the silicone out, and it comes as one big plug. So I will literally just hold the tube right up to the bolt hole and silicone just like that. And I have never had a problem with water getting in. So this has been my way of doing it every time, and it's worked so far. You don't need to go crazy with silicone, just make sure it fills that whole bolt hole, and that's good to go, just like that. You don't need to do any more. Push the nozzle in the hole and then push hard. Squeeze hard. That's good. So that's just about gonna do it for this video. It was just mostly taking off the Prinsu. I got my bumper sold, the Prinsu sold, my hood's even sold. So now I'm about to pack up and go drive to buy a new hood, and I need to start redoing these headlights and getting everything together. But good news is I do have some parts coming in, so hopefully we can get this truck back on the road very soon. So peace out, see you guys next time.